Join me as I try to get my hands on the new Hasselblad X2D II before anyone else and put it to the test. The Hasselblad X2D II is shaping up to be a game-changer in the world of photography. As a successor to the highly acclaimed X2D, it's expected to push the boundaries even further with cutting-edge technology and innovative features. What makes the X2D series stand out is its commitment to delivering exceptional image quality, ergonomic design, and a user experience that's hard to match. Photographers today face a myriad of challenges, from achieving optimal image quality in various lighting conditions to ensuring their gear can keep up with their creative demands. The current crop of cameras, though advanced, still leaves some needs unmet, particularly in terms of buffer clearing times, battery life, and the intuitiveness of their interfaces. These are pain points that the X2D II aims to address, promising a more streamlined and efficient workflow. One of the biggest hurdles photographers face is the buffer clearing time. When you're on a shoot, every second counts, and being unable to quickly review or delete photos can be frustrating. Battery life is another concern. There's nothing worse than running out of juice in the middle of a critical shoot. And let's not forget about the interface. It needs to be intuitive, allowing you to focus on capturing the moment rather than fumbling with settings. The X2D II is also rumored to come with significant upgrades in image quality and sensor technology. A new sensor could mean better low-light performance, increased dynamic range, and perhaps even faster readout speeds. These improvements would not only enhance the overall image quality but also open up new creative possibilities for photographers. In terms of innovative functionalities, there are whispers of improved autofocus, enhanced video capabilities, and perhaps even some form of AI-powered feature integration. The inclusion of such technologies would place the X2D II at the forefront of camera development, making it an incredibly versatile tool for both stills and video work. The most exciting feature that could truly captivate the audience is the potential for the X2D II to significantly reduce or even eliminate some of the current limitations in photography. Imagine having a camera that can handle a burst of 20 frames per second with minimal blackout, offering a seamless experience akin to shooting with film. This kind of advancement would not only excite professional photographers but also open up new avenues for storytelling. The prospect of getting your hands on a camera that promises such groundbreaking performance is exhilarating. Photographers are eager to see if the X2D II can live up to the hype, particularly in terms of how it handles real-world scenarios. Will it deliver on its promises? And how will it compare to existing top-tier cameras on the market? The combination of improved ergonomics, faster performance, and top-notch image quality could make the X2D II a formidable tool in the hands of photographers. The anticipation is high, and the photography community is abuzz with speculation about the official release. To recap, the Hasselblad X2D II is on track to address some of the most pressing issues photographers face today, from performance to image quality. With its rumored advanced features and specifications, it's poised to make a significant impact on the market. If you're as excited about the X2D II as I am, leave your thoughts in the comments below about what you're most looking forward to. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the latest camera technology for more insights and updates.